Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj. Today's message is a very strong one from Jaya John, and it's about being calm and taking a decision rather than being anxious, being in the crisis mode while taking any decisive actions in your life. You might have noticed that, nearly all that you accomplish in a condition of anxious, urgent, and kind of rushing mode can be accomplished at least as well and more pleasantly in a condition of calm. You have been taught anxiousness and crisis mode since childhood. You are well tuned and equipped for it. This does not mean that these precious moments of your life require it. This is an emergency, is a story habit you tell yourself. Your body follows. Anxious rushing harms you and your health and your relations. It is a contagious, destructive pandemic. It causes you to miss out on the full richness of this brief life. You miss your own medicine, available in the fruit of the moments you race through. You deprive yourself of miracles, wonder, and awe. These are the ingredients for a soulful life. Just take a courageous breath and consider that even now you can learn a new way. Do not let culture vultures steal what calm and inner stillness can mean for you. Calm is not an entitlement found in yoga studios and appropriated meditation circles. Calm is organic, pre-colonial soil. It belongs to the people. It's your message, your mystic moment on the earth. So stay calm whenever you have to decide something. Change this habit of getting into a rushing mode, of taking a decision, of taking an action, and do the same actions what are needful for that situation, but in a more calm state of mind, in a more conscious, present state of mind, Try that. It's hard. It's not easy. But then remember one thing. If you can build up the muscle of being in the rush mode all the time while taking a crucial decision, you can build up this muscle too. You can be in a calm state of mind and do what's needed. So let's give a try. With that, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. If you like any of the message that I keep sharing in this podcast, please share my podcast with others. Let them feel that positivity as well. And let me help you all serve trustfully, with transparency, with full authenticity, and help you become the person that you love the most. Help you become self-loved. With that, I'll sign off for now. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay self-loved.